Learn cool apps with Cool Apps for Kids. Hi kids and welcome to Cool Apps for Kids, where kids believe in letting their imaginations come true. Today we'll be playing Little Builders. With Little Builders we can make anything we like out of bricks and anything we like. Let's get started playing this game. Hi! It's waving at us. What a busy day. But what shall we help with today?
Whoa.
Let's help with the rooftops. Oh, there's a horse. Hi, horsey. So it's telling us to drag. And up she goes.
Oh, hey!
And down. And the builders are going to put it up. And slide the wallpaper. Drag the wood. Hammer the sticks. And drag the wallpaper into pattern. Oh, we got 1 star for helping. Let's do it again. We still have 2 more left. There we go. Let's hope. Ah, he fell down. Silly builder. He fell down in the drain. That's silly. Oh, there's sand. So let's get another piece of triangle-shaped wood and hammer it. And there we go. Now let's get the triangle again and hammer it again. Done. Now the only thing that's left we have to put, I don't know what this even is, but we have to put it on the top. What is it anyway?
Yeah!
Oh, he took a photo. Oh, I've decided a finger so we can get some bricks and tiles. So many bricks. I wonder where bricks come from. Maybe they come from wood, rocks, big gigantic orange rocks that they smash it with, and yeah. Let's add some more detail, bricks, not detail, to the wall. We're nearly done. There we go. Oh, 1 more left. Yeah! We got 3 stars in a row. Now, what do we have to do? Silly, silly, silly! He fell down in the drain again. What's in that toilet? Oh, well. Oh, it's a toilet. That's nice. Now let's see what else we can do it over here. Let's do this. Ooh. Put the water in the machine. Then we have to take some of this. Put it in these. They're also the invisible walls. There we go. Now we just have to... Oh, there's a car. Hi, car. Now let's put the bricks. Oh, the bricks didn't fly away, huh? The bricks! They flew away! Let's add this over there, that over there, oops. That over there, that over there, and the last one over here. Now let's add some cement. Cement is like it's like mud that's silver. It's mud that's silver, and it's it feels like a bit like dirt. I don't know if it feels like dirt because I never touched cement before. I think I just touched grit. Yeah, I touched grit before at school. Now let's add our bricks. Takes a long time to build this. Done. Now the only thing you have to do is add some cement. The machine's spinning again. We're getting more of the cement. Oops. There we go. Wonder what's in that. Then the water. And then it, guys. I think that's kind of gelatin, I think. I don't know if it is, but oh well. So let's add our bricks in those 4. Oh, we ran out of bricks. Well, we didn't because there's some more. Oh, we have 2. Okay. Oh yeah, we have 2. So which activity shall we do now? Let's do the underground digging. What a lot of noise going on. Oh, oops. He jerked it up. Oh, spin the camera. Oh, the hose pipe dragged the builder down to the mud. Yuck. Let's dig in. Again, lazy builder. I think we're digging down so we can see a pipe. I think I can see something silver, I think, or maybe white. That is dirt. There's so many dirt. A hose pipe! I knew it! Fix it! Finally, he's restored. What are you gonna do with all these rocks? Oh! There's another truck. Let's stick all that cement in the truck. I mean, not cement. Dirt, yeah. I mean, maybe stones. Yes! We got some more stars! And one more scoop. Oh! That's so quick. Oh, well, let's just keep digging. Just keep digging. What a lot of construction. Well, I wonder what they're gonna do with all these rocks. Another! Oh no, let's fix it. Go, fix it. Big bum 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 bum. What's supposed to do again? Let's put that in the trucks. Now we gotta put this one in the other truck. I think it's time for another activity. What shall we do now? Let's do the house painting. What's that sneaky builder doing? The sneaky builder went to the other builder. That's so silly. That's silly. Be careful. What shall we do now? Let's paint the house purple. Yeah. Yeah, purple. This is the line of purple. That sneaky boat is so sneaky. Hey! Just keep painting. Forget about the sneaky builder. Let's just keep. Oh, what are they doing? Another bear? I wish they'd put a donut in. That would be silly. I wonder if they're gonna get a donut now. A donut! Oh my gosh, I was right. It's actually a donut. Oh my gosh. Might be just made out of rubber. Nah. Let's just keep painting. So we can paint the other side. First we painted on the man, now they're gonna take a poopy bag and then, not a poopy bag, they're gonna get a water balloon and put it on. What's the big idea? There we go. And now let's paint the other side. Okay. Let's do a little heart. This is the line of pink. A police truck? Might be the building inspector. Today's a bit busy. Whew. There we go. Let's do the other painting later. What shall we do now? I don't know, we haven't done this. So let's add some cement. Add. Run again. What's in the toilet? There's a builder pooping in the builder's toilet. He's reading a newspaper too. That's just hilarious. That's just hilarious. Hey, it's not snowy to do a snow angel. Get to work. Woo, we have 3 stars already. Let's just swap. It's not snowy yet to do a snow angel. I'm gonna draw a bow. Maybe not today. That's silly, yeah. What should I do now? I'm not painting the house again.
Hey!
Okay. Maybe let's just do it next time. Yeah. What shall we do now? Let's clean up the road. It's a huge mess. Oh no. We gotta clean it up. Clean it up. We gotta clean it up. Hold up, there's construction going on. Hey, it's following my finger. This pencil man. There's a little bit of smudged dirt. I think we're done. Let's just do... Well, I gotta get to work. So I hope you enjoyed watching my channel on Cool Left for Kids.